Yes, yes.
Yes, I will check on your.
गाड़ी सर सर एक दो
Yeah, just
So that this yatra, of course, 1 month. I'm going to visit almost all important spiritual centers, including Hindu, Muslim, Christian, everybody. And we are all collectively we are praying for the betterment of the society and nation and Goa. So this effort is having very good response, and the local MLA here also my friend MLA is present here, doing it for unity, fraternity of the people, Shakti of the people, fraternity of the people here. I hope this month I can complete it.
थैंक यू सर
The governor of Goa visited Milagres Church or St. Jerome's Church, our parish church in Mapsa. पहिलेच फावटी governor of Goa आमच्या इगोर्जेन आयलोलो आहा. It was nice to see his presence received by the Samuday, the entire committee, the church committee of Mapsa parish, the parish priest of Mapsa, Father Leonard, along with all the committee members, welcomed His Excellency, the Governor of Goa, and Sridhar Pillai, a person who has been on a mission to visit all the churches and all the temples, all the mosques and all other religious institutions across India, across the state of Goa. And Magadista the only governor that I know of, as long as I can remember or recall, the person who is in this position, who is out and about interacting with the people from Goa. And the message is very clear. He wants to strengthen the integrity and unity of the people of Goa. He is here to visit each and every community and bring everybody together as he believes or part of his current Yatra mission. Again, a big thank you to him and everybody who has been part of this. Our chairperson as well, Mrs. Priya Mishal, vice chairperson, Mr. Prakash Pivshet, other councillors from this area, other councillors, the team from Deputy Collector and all other government officials who have been part of this visit of the governor.